everyone, welcome. Alison here, and today on a Wacky Wednesday, I've got some Happy Mail. One is an order. Well, this one's got an order in there too. But my sister sent me this huge box full of goodies. So I've not opened it yet, but I did cut it open so that it'd be easier. And faster. All right, I'm gonna put y'all on hold for a second because this box is way too big to put up here, and we'll get to seeing what she sent me. Okay, so let's start with my order here. I believe this is my order. Yes, it is. Right? Yes. Okay. How to make sure. Alright, so got the Happy New Year. I thought we were gonna do what do you call it? The mystery box again this month for the New Year's, but a lot of things have been going on with all four of us, so not gonna do that. But that'll still come in handy. And then I got this die set. Can't remember what they call this one. The lattice. Love that. Love. And then so cute. The gnome folded. So I gotta take this out and show you guys. It is so stinking cute. Come on. There we go. So, comes with a heart, a pumpkin, and a present so that the little gnome can hold it. Right here. There's his little hands and his feet. Oh, his hands and his feet. And it's got two different sized flowers, sunflowers, and then it's got an egg. And then there's the gnome. He's so stinking cute, right? So cute. Alright, I'm going to put this up and then we'll take a look at what my sister sent me. Okay, wow. This box is stuffed, like super stuffed. Now she said she went to the Goodwill, and this is where she found this stuff. Holy cow. Oh wow, look at all this paper. Woo! Alright sis, this is awesome. Ah, my bird is showing attention. Let's pull this out. Holy cow. Wow, there is just a ton of stuff. So that's what it looks like, I guess it comes with. Some really cool papers. Oh, look how cute! Little mustaches. I like the Anne. Oh, she is showing attention. Love these. Wow. Love those. Oh, look at these. Look how cute. Okay, those are just stinking cute. Oh my gosh, it comes with a ton of them. Look at this. Wow. Look at those. Oh, I like that. You are so beautiful to me. Wow. Holy cow. Look at this. So cute. God, I love it all. It's all so cute. And then this is, I think this is stickers. Yes, stickers. Oh, I like that. These are the moments that make life worth living. Love that. This was a very good day. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. God, this... Tons. Wow, look at that. God, Bea, this was a full entire set. If I bumped you, I apologize. Aw. Questions? Oh, the days of the week. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. That was a lot. Holy cow. Set that to the side. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look how cute. Oh, here. Yeah. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, wow, look at the paper. Okay, I love the paper. Wow. Okay, love it. Oh my gosh, sis. Holy cow. Oh. This is my favorite. This right here is my absolute favorite. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look. Oh. Oh, this is my absolute favorite. I love the old vintage Christmas, country Christmas. I love that. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Oh, wow. Look how pretty that is. Let's pull a couple out and see. Oh, wow. So it's got, oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, love that. Oh, wow. Love that. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There, we'll pull out a couple more. Maybe. There we go. Look at that. I love that. Oh, that's very pretty too. Oh my gosh. This was a find for sure. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh wow. Very pretty and very sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. Very glittery. Oh, love this paper. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is my favorite. This is one of those that I'll hoard because it's just way too pretty. Gorgeous. All right, let's grab the other bag. Holy cow. All right, oh my good lord. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this? Holy cow. Wow. Oh my good lord. Look at these stamps. Oh my goodness. Wow, love that. Oh, I like that. That is very cool. These will make some really awesome cards. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, sis. Oh. So birthday. Says thinking of you on your special day. and hoping this year brings you joy, peace, and much happiness. Oh, I love that. I thought of you today. Wow. A lot of these look brand new, never been used. Well, that one's been used, but still. This is it's just the flowers. Oh, it's like a bow. Love that. Super pretty. See, if I had a single hour for every time I think about you, I could walk forever in my garden. Oh, I love that one. And another brand new. Holy cow. Alright, let's pull some. Ooh, leaves. Happy birthday. To cheer you. Oh. Oh, look how cute. Okay, too adorable. Tell him. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Like that. Very. Oh, that's very pretty too. Hold on one sec. I gotta find out why my bird is throwing a tantrum. Okay. Listen. Little. No, I don't know if it's a bear or a dog. No, it's a little doggy. Oh, little ladybug. Ooh, to and from. Like that. Little swirl. Happy. Oh, cute. Gonna try to go through these to thank you. Oh, there's a mini one of this one. Too cute. And this one is a butterfly. Love that. A cactus. Holy cow, there was a ton. Oh, the flowers. Look at that. So cute. Another flower. Oh, I like that. Very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, all these are almost every one of these are brand new. Tiny little things, great big blessings. Oh, I love that. A bumblebee. Hand stamped just for you. Aw. Birthday. Another cactus. And great day. Ooh, Christmas tree. Oh, and it's got the candies for the garland. Ah, love it. Oh, and the hearts. So cute. Again, brand new. Like, I think only one or two's been used. You're invited. Date, time, place, and... Oh, I love that. That is awesome. Thank you. Love that. Okay, just a couple more. To wish you a... Oh. My friend. I like that. Just a note. Oh, I like that too. And then this is... Oh, music notes. That is so cute. I don't know what to... There we go. That is super cute. Oh, and then a dragonfly. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, let me put this up and we'll grab the last thing. Okay, now this one is something that I asked her to make for my husband. for his birthday. It is December 12th. So it is her creation with a picture that I had made for him and his company a long time ago. So she taped us good. I can't get into it. There we go. Oh, we got glitter everywhere. Look at this. So, she's put, whoever said the pen is mightier than the sword, and then it's got my husband, Sergeant Soto. Obviously never encountered automatic weapons. And there is the image. This is what I made for my husband and his company. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You should be able to see that now. And then Delta. But yeah, so I did that. But look at this. Tell me she did not do an amazing job. She totally just rocked at that. So awesome. And then there's her, yeah, logo. So cute. But she did awesome, you guys. I don't know if you can see it. But there's like these I don't know if you want to call them, but I mean, she made it like as if this cup had been through war. I love it. Wow, and I love the marble look. Gorgeous. I think she did freaking awesome. So you guys need to comment down below what you guys think. If you guys want to order custom cups from her, just email me and I will give you her information. But yeah, so here I'll show you the inside. There's the inside. That's the instructions on how to care for it. But she did an amazing job. I can't wait to give this to him for his birthday. But yeah, she did. I mean, look at that. She did so awesome. But alright, so wow, this is already 18 minutes long. So I'm going to let you guys go. Let me know what y'all thought about this Happy Meal, because holy cow, she found some amazing stuff. And I am so grateful that she sent it to me. I just, love it all. And those stamps, oh my gosh, I'm in love with those stamps. Oh, anyhow, sis, I know you're watching, eventually you're watching this. I love you. Thank you so much. And I will definitely, if my husband allows it, I will be recording him opening this up on his birthday. So, alright, you guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Share this video with all your friends and family. Help me get the word out. As soon as I hit 2,000, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I missed, when I hit 1,000, I missed that one because of everything that had been, going on. So, I'm almost at 2,000, so let's get me to 2,000 so I can do a really nice giveaway. Alright, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that, and share. Love y'all. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to always smile.